Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on how do you effectively scale infrastructure was created for you by Abigail. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what are some key factors to consider when scaling your infrastructure? What are scale computer infrastructure projects? What are some examples of scale computer infrastructure projects? Scaling infrastructure effectively is a critical aspect of running a successful business, especially as a company grows and its needs change. There are several key factors to consider when looking to scale your infrastructure in an effective manner. First and foremost, it's important to have a clear understanding of your current and future needs. This will help you determine the type of infrastructure that is required, as well as the necessary size and capacity. For example, if you anticipate a significant increase in traffic to your website, you may need to invest in additional servers and networking equipment to handle the increased load. Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, the next step is to assess your current infrastructure to determine its ability to handle the desired level of growth. This may involve conducting performance testing to see how your systems handle increased traffic, as well as looking at your current hardware and software to see if they are capable of supporting your future needs. Once you have a good understanding of your current infrastructure and its capabilities, the next step is to begin planning the actual scaling process. This may involve a variety of different actions, such as purchasing additional hardware and software, implementing new technologies, and implementing changes to your current systems to make them more scalable. One important consideration when scaling infrastructure is to do so in a way that is both cost-effective and efficient. This may involve looking at various options, such as using cloud computing services, which can provide the necessary capacity and flexibility without requiring a significant upfront investment in hardware and software. Finally, it's important to have a plan in place for ongoing monitoring and management of your infrastructure. This will help ensure that it continues to perform effectively and efficiently, and can help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. This may involve implementing monitoring tools and processes, as well as conducting regular maintenance and updates to your systems. Overall, effectively scaling infrastructure requires a combination of careful planning, assessment, and implementation. By understanding your current and future needs, assessing your current infrastructure, and implementing a plan for scaling in a cost-effective and efficient manner, you can ensure that your business has the infrastructure it needs to support its growth and success. Scale computer infrastructure projects are large-scale projects that involve the deployment of a significant amount of computing resources to support a specific business or organizational goal. These projects can range from building a large-scale cloud computing platform to support the operations of a global enterprise, to deploying a network of interconnected supercomputers to support cutting-edge scientific research. One example of a scale computer infrastructure project is the deployment of a cloud computing platform by a major technology company. In this scenario, the company would invest in a large number of servers, storage systems, and networking equipment to create a scalable and highly available computing environment that can support the needs of its customers. The platform would be designed to handle a high volume of requests, and to provide users with access to a wide range of computing resources, such as virtual machines, databases, and other services. Another example of a scale computer infrastructure project is the deployment of a network of supercomputers to support scientific research. In this case, the project would involve the installation of a large number of high-performance computers, connected by a high-speed network, to provide researchers with the computing power they need to run complex simulations and data analyses. The supercomputers would be used to support research in fields such as climate modeling, drug discovery, and astrophysics, among others. In addition to these examples, there are many other possible applications for scale computer infrastructure projects. For instance, a government agency might deploy a large-scale computing platform to support the operations of its various departments, or a financial institution might build a private cloud to support its trading operations. In each case, the goal would be to provide a reliable and scalable computing environment that can support the organization's needs. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All.